Alright, we're going to do a little video here of the 2008 Ford Escape Limited. In the video, what we're doing here is we want to see what the engine sounds like while it's running with the hood open so you can get a look at the engine itself. Alright, so let's start up starting up the Escape. Sounds good. Don't hear any knocking. Don't see any engine vibration that's alarming of any sort. Doesn't sound like it's high revving. I would say for an 08, it looks very clean. Hopefully that gives you a really good idea of what this vehicle sounds like. If you have any other questions, my name is Jason. You can reach me at 715-719-0821. Thanks.